Alright, this is after the light installation. That's the way she looked, like this. The neighbor's leaving. So you see how dark it is. That's only the reflection of his tail lights that we get in this light. So yeah, that's the sky I was telling my wife right there. Yeah, beautiful. And so after she left, garage closed and everything, right? Alright, let's see. Let's see how long it takes for it to come on. Right here on the side, I'm right here. Yeah. Boom. Alright, as I can see, man, it covers quite a large area. Look at that, lights up all the way over there. Almost in this corner. Man, I like it. It is super bright, man. You can see everything. Because we used to come out now, you know, whenever you come home and park, man, it's dark as hell. You never know if some idiot. Or it's just got to be well lit now, man. You know, it only cost me 97 bucks and I did it myself. And so I got the other one over here. Wait to see how long it takes for the sensor to see me. So I'm walking over here and I'm walking actually right in front of it. Oh, shit. Actually, it worked better when it was right here. Let's see right here where this is at. So looking all around, let's see here. That's the one on this side. It covers quite a lot, man. Let's see here. There you go. Man. It covers a lot. Right here especially. You can see good in between everything here. See there? Man. What a great little light, man. That joker there, man. It lights up everything. Look at it. You can see him. The little dog over there. Watch out. Now we can spot all them. Yeah. There's a player of the neighborhood right there. But I'm very pleased so far, man. It looks really, really bright. You can see, man, really good now. Now the brightness kind of does, you know, kind of stun your eye a little bit, but don't look at them all. Look where you got to look at. It is bright. I thought just one of them. I was gonna put it right in the center, but now that I've got those connections, shit, man, I used it. Man, let's see here. It's my neighbor. You go over here and okay. It's bright as hell, man. So here in a minute we're gonna check. So if someone was to be coming in a car, obviously they gotta come up to see how close you can come up here. So you're about this far. That's my next door neighbor's house right here. Okay, right there. That's dark. My light's a little, I kinda like it now, man. If it looks modern, you know, not like these old damn lights or whatever. Yeah, with the garage door open. We need that light. Run the neighborhood, it's so dark. Man. Everybody's got a little light over there or something. This is dark. like it so far. Let's see here. Let's see, I'm waiting for it to turn off so that way I can approach it and see where the sensor's at. I think right here at the sidewalk, whoever that sensor can spot right there as the line, right? Yeah, that's the line, sidewalk. So you coming through here? There it is, right there. Okay, so if I'm coming down the sidewalk, let's see if it spots me. There it is. It just did. Perfect. That's what I want. That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, if you're coming around the sidewalk, these lights are going to turn on at night. That way we can spot your ass. So I'm very pleased with the sensors, man. They're really, really good. Now let's do it the other side.